Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss a question here. How to classify the organic compound? You know, we take the point yesterday. How to classify the organic compound on the basis of carbon state end. You know, we take the different types of the compound. It is called aliphatic compound, aromatic compound. Depend upon the different types of function group. What here? So second we take the how to classify the organic compound on the basis of functional group. You know what is function group? So it is defined as those groups which determine or express the characteristic of an organic compound. It is called as a functional group. So on the basis of functional group, we also classify the organic compound because each functional group which have different characteristic of organic compound. For example, alcohol. If the compound attached to the OH, the name is called as alcohol OH. If the compound contains a CHO group, called as aldehyde, a function group. If the compound contains RCOR, called as a ketone function group. Where compound contains RCOR group, called as ester group. So on the basis of functional group, the name of organic compound are given. Okay. So remaining some function group will be discussed here. इससे पहले आपको देखा है मैंने आपको इससे पहले बेसिक्स में 11th क्लास में जो है तो आपको बेसिक्स में जब समझाया था व्हाट इज फंक्शन ग्रुप एंड एग्जांपल, तो एग्जांपल मैंने आपको मैक्सिमम 16 एग्जांपल समझाया आपको फंक्शन ग्रुप के. अब जो रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल है वो आज हम ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो वी स्टार्ट ए नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, फंक्शन ग्रुप और फार्मूला एंड थर्ड एग्जांपल. तो रिमेनिंग 17 नंबर इट्स अ फंक्शन ग्रुप. सो 17 इज द halide we take there. So halide is a name of the function group. Halide is also called as halogen. We take the X. X is the symbol of the representation of halide. So the function group what is X. X is a halogen atom or electronegative atom. So X has the 4 types. Halogen has the 4 types: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All the halogen for halide family are called as the group 70 element, जो आपको पीरियड टेबल में स्टडी करेंगे. ठीक है. So example CH3F called as the methyl bromide. It's called what here? Methyl. CH3 called as methyl or methyl. Or F called as what here? Fluoride. Methyl fluoride. Br called as methyl bromide. क्लियर बेटा? अगर हेलोजन F अगर सिंगल है बेटा तो उसको नेम देते फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन. और अगर वो F या Cl या Br किसी एटम से अटैच है बॉन्डिंग में तो इसका नेम क्या देंगे? फ्लोराइड. F मींस फ्लोराइड, Br मींस ब्रोमाइड, देन Cl कॉल्ड फ्लोराइड. क्लियर? अगर एटम सिंगल हेलोजन तो उसे देंगे X कॉल्ड एज व्हाट हियर? फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन. और अगर F फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन अगर किसी एटम से रिएक्ट है बॉन्डेड है तो नेम क्या होगा चेंज उसका? फ्लोरीन चेंज इनटू फ्लोराइड, क्लोरीन चेंज इनटू क्लोराइड, ब्रोमीन चेंज इनटू व्हाट हियर? ब्रोमाइड, एंड आयोडीन चेंज इनटू व्हाट हियर? आयोडाइड. ठीक है. सेकंड एग्जांपल नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. The formula CH2SO4 which are the function group part here. Formula function group Fg S double bond O H OH. Example C6H5 attached to SO3H called as the benzene sulfuric acid. It is the 18 number function group part here, sulfuric acid. Number 19 function group primary amine. So primary amine is the function group NH2. What is primary amine? The amine is the replacement of one hydrogen from the water ammonia. So replacement of one hydrogen ammonia is NH3. So we replace the one H from the ammonia. It is called as the ammonia. So replacement of one hydrogen यानी ऐसा अगर H replace करते हैं तो रिमेनिंग क्या बचता है? NH2 बचता बेटा. It is called what here? So it is called as the primary amine. Function group single bond NH2. So this single indicate this atom is attached to any carbon. So we take the CH3. It is called example methyl amine. Secondary amine. What is secondary amine? The amine with the 2 hydrogen are replaced from the ammonia. Let's say 1H loss किया तो primary amine, 2H loss किया तो secondary amine. So here NH 2 atom will be added. Loss अगर एटम जितने निकलते हैं बट उतने एटम ऐड होते हैं. तो यहाँ से एक एटम निकला तो यहाँ एक एटम CH लगाया है. यहाँ से दो H निकले तो यहाँ 2 ग्रुप लगाना पड़ेगा. So we added what here? CH3 NH. What is the secondary amine? Example dimethyl. Both group are same called dimethyl NH is amine. So dimethyl amine. Next here tertiary amine. What tertiary amine? The amine is the replacement of 3 hydrogen from ammonia. अब 3H लॉस किए तो सेम टाइप 3 रिमेनिंग यानी 3 कंपाउंड आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा ग्रुप में. तो यहाँ पे व्हाट मिलेगा? इस 3 इंडिकल टर्शियरी अमाइन. which a functional group what and 3 bond attached called as a functional group the tertiary amine. Example, this 3 bond are added to 3 different group, so 3 CH3 added here, it is called tertiary trimethyl amine. Next here last nitro compound is the first organic compound which is a functional group part here, and double bond O or and NO2 single bond N2 or what here single bond NO2. These are the functional group of nitro compound. Example, this single bond is react to another 8 carbon compound, so we added example here. So the example of this nitro compound we added what here the CH3 NO2 called what here nitromethane. CH3 NO2 ने क्या किया बेटा, CH3 called the nitro, so NO2 called nitro and CH3 called methane. So name of this example of the nitro compound called what here nitromethane. CH3 NO2 called nitromethane. Short form में लिखिए NN nitromethane. Clear? So in this way we classify the organic compound on the basis of what here functional group. यानी अगर कंपाउंड से कोई फंक्शन ग्रुप अटैच है तो कंपाउंड का नेम भी क्या आएगा, फंक्शन ग्रुप का नेम आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल OH है तो अल्कोहल आएगा, तो अगर X है तो हैलाइड आएगा, अगर H2 फॉर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड आएगा, अगर ये NH2 है तो प्राइमरी अमाइन आएगा, NH आएगा तो सेकेंडरी अमाइन आएगा, N अगर है तो टर्शियरी अमाइन आएगा, N तो नाइट्रो कंपाउंड. इस तरीके से ये टोटल जो है तो 20 फंक्शन ग्रुप मैंने पहले आपको रिमेनिंग 16 हुए थे, अब रिमेनिंग जो बचे तो उसको मैंने आपको लिखा के दिया, उसमें आपको ऐड करना है. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. So next question we added here, what is the homologous series? What is the homologous series? So we discussed here what is the homologous series. So the series defined as the series which is referred in CH2 group called as homologous series. The homologous series the question is important बेटा. एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, which element shows the homologous series. तो आपको डिफाइन समझना है पहले. What is homologous series? The homologous series defined as the series which is differ in CH2 group. यानी कहने का मतलब सीरीज में अगर CH2 ग्रुप डिफरेंस है, दो कंपाउंड में अगर CH2 का डिफरेंस है तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे, homologous series. For example, all member of the alkane, example member of alkane, you know how many number of alkane we take here? So we take the 10 number of alkane. First CH4 methane, C2H is called what here? So first we take the CH4 methane, C2H is called ethane, C3H8 called what here? Propane, C4H10 called what here? Butane, C5H12 called what here? Pentane, C6H14 called the hexane, C7H what here 16 called the heptane, C8H18 called what here octane, C9H20 called the nonane, C10H22 called what here octane. जो मैंने आपको लिखा के दिया बेटा. CH4 called methane. It means the methane of the molecular formula CH4, ethane synthesis up to or decay. So all these members are shows the homologous series. Why? Because these all the members which contain a different CH2 group. यानी दो कंपाउंड for example देखो बेटा, this CH4 CH2 clear, this CH3 होगा clear. तो यहाँ पर चेंज करेगा CH4 अगर CH4 मतलब मीथेन में चीज़ इथेन में किया तो कार्बन X इंक्रीज हो रहा है, X इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो से इट्स कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर CH2 difference. Here what here CH2 difference. Here here also what here CH2 difference. Here also what here CH2 difference. Here also is what here CH2 difference. member, it means we change the methane to ethane, ethane to propane, all these are increased by CH2. So differ in the CH2, all this called as the homologous series. The series in which the differ in the CH2 group, यानी अगर दो कंपाउंड के अंदर CH2 डिफरेंस है तो सीरीज को क्या बोलेंगे बेटा हम लोग होमोलॉगस सीरीज. क्लियर? ओके. इट्स आल्सो व्हाट इज द होमोलॉगस सीरीज CH2 डिफरेंस. ठीक है, देखो बेटा यहाँ पे CH4 C2H6 कार्बन इंक्रीज बाय 1 C1 H increase by 2, so it is called CH2. So question is asked in examination, which pair shows the homologous series and which does not shows the homologous series. So this CH2, this CH4 C2H6 shows the homologous series. This C2H6 C3H8 is also called homologous series. But here this is also at CH2. But this CH4 and this C3H8 does not show the homologous series. Clear? This C4 and this C6 does not show the homologous series. Clear? But because it does not show the difference in CH2 में कार्बन 1 है, यहाँ कार्बन 3 हो रहे हैं, ये H कितनी है 4 है, यहाँ 8 हो रहे हैं, ये डिफरेंस हो रहा है कि CH2 की नहीं, so it does not show the homologous series. So those series in which different CH2, अब दो कंपाउंड में CH2 डिफरेंस है, CH2 difference क्या बनेगी बेटा homologous series, and those compound which shows the homologous series, so this all compound are shown the what here homology. Any compound which shows the homologous series, so it is called as the homologous. What is homology? याद रखो बेटा, अगर दो कंपाउंड के अंदर CH2 डिफरेंस है तो इसे क्या बोलेंगे homologous series. So all the member of the alkene are shown the homologous series. Which pair shows the homologous series? Methane, ethane, ethane propane, propane butane, butane pentane, pentane hexane, heptane octane, octane nonane, nonane ethane. But this methane propane does not show the homologous series because it does not show the CH2 difference. यहाँ अगर CH2 difference आता है तो homologous series बोलेंगे बेटा हम लोग. अगर CH2 difference नहीं आता है तो क्या बोलेंगे? Does not homologous series. इससे मैंने अभी ये जो सिंबल लगा है does not show the homologous series. ठीक है, so it is called a homologous series. Or which compound show the homologous series? Those compounds show the homologous series when contain a CH2 difference. Clear? Or any compound which shows the homologous series, it is called as homology. All these examples called as what is homology. Clear? इसकी कुछ एग्जांपल मैं आपको कल के लेक्चर में सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, so we take the question how to classify the function group on the basis of what here. Sorry, how to classify the organic compound on the basis of function group. So all these the example remaining here. Second, homologous series. So the series in which the differ in the CH2 group, it is called homologous series. All the member of the alkene which show the CH difference, methane to ethane, or last and what nonane to decane is called what here the homologous series. Clear? इस तरीके से बेटा टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट इजी है, समझ में आता है. और ये ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के कुछ रिमेनिंग जो फंक्शन ग्रुप थे 17 18 आपको उसमें ऐड करना है. Clear? Each organic compound show the different function group, and on the basis of function group we name the compound. For example, OH alcohol, CHO aldehyde, and this called as ketones. Okay? So we finish here classification of organic compound on the basis of function what carbon skeleton and function group and second homologous series. इसके कुछ एग्जांपल है, उसको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ओके, इजी है, ये डिफाइन आपको अच्छे से राइट करनी है. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.